Today we celebrate the feast of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Yesterday I reflected on the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Today I will reflect on Mary's Immaculate Heart. So we've been taught that the Immaculate Heart of Mary has to do with her being sinless, that her having been conceived without sin. But I think there's more to it than just that, because that is a status to which none of us can ascribe or can ever achieve. When I think of Mary's Immaculate Heart, I think also about her purity of heart, that there was no guile in her, that there was nothing devious about her, that she was a person of integrity. She was the type of person whom today we would probably call the real deal, the genuine article. Someone about whom we would say, what you see is what you get. So I think about that when I think about the Immaculate Heart of Mary. And the other thing that comes to mind is Mary's openness, utter openness to the will of God. That as a young girl, she received the call to be the mother of Jesus, and she accepted that call. She accepted his call to be someone who would proclaim a message that was controversial, that would cause others to dislike him, even to hate him. And she accepted that. She accepted the will of God when her son was brutally arrested and tortured and died on the cross. And so Mary is someone of integrity, purity of heart, and someone who is open to God. And so those characteristics are things that we can learn from her and that we can reflect on. And when we do these things, when we are persons of integrity, when we are persons who are open to the will of God, then our hearts can reflect Mary's Immaculate Heart.